am on a gorgeous ranch in Yancey, Texas. We're about 10 miles outside of Hondo. This ranch is 61 acres, can also be divided into 30 or 10 with this custom rock home behind me. It's 4 sides masonry, very, very beautiful open floor plan, standing seam metal roof. Half of this land is cultivated, coastal filled, and the other half is brush. You're gonna see a ton of wildlife out here, turkey, quail, deer. It's private, it's really the perfect location. I can't wait for you to see the inside. My top 5 things about this house, number 1, the floor plan. You're gonna love it. Number 2, the massive kitchen. Number 3, the bonus room, which could be a bedroom, and you're gonna see it's a really neat space because it's connected to the master, so there's different things that it could be. Number 4, the master bathroom is amazing, and number 5, the views off the back porch you cannot beat. So hang with me for this whole video. So as we head into the house, you are going to see a ton of natural light and an open floor plan. Love the ceiling. I love how everything's together in this one space. The bar is wonderful, and this kitchen island is huge. Tons of counter space. That window above the sink is great. Appliances are all stainless steel. Flooring is the tile wood. So if you go to the right hallway, you're gonna head into the master. The master is a wonderful size. Very large. Again, all the natural light that comes in and the views from the master are amazing. There's a door to go to the back porch. But you guys, this bathroom is awesome. So you've got a fan, ladies. I know that that is great for when you're getting ready. You've got a very large walk-in closet. Got your stand-up shower, potty room, and this tub. I mean, there are no words. The light comes in here as well. So this is the bonus room I'm talking about. This could be a 5th bedroom, but I love how they're using it as an office because you can get to it through the master bathroom. So it does have a closet. You could use it as an office, a nursery, a media room, a playroom. I mean, there's so many things that this could be. It's a very large room also. So as you head back to the other side of the house, you have your hallway with 3 bedrooms and a bathroom. All the bedrooms are good size. They all fit at least a queen bed. And I love this bathroom vanity with double sinks. The lighting's beautiful as well. You have a tub shower combo. Head to the back porch with me. So the property is fenced on all 4 sides and down the middle between the two 30-acre pieces. One's probably closer to 31, one's 30. You have a carport, matches the house. And this awesome back porch to sit and have coffee on and enjoy your gorgeous view, which is one of my top 5 things about this house.